All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says, given that tan x is equal to 5 over 12, find sin x plus cos x. This is a question I derived. This is a question I brought out from past Jamb mathematics question paper. All right, so pay adequate attention so that you see how I'm going to solve it. You never can tell, you may see something like this during your own Jamb examination or even WAEC. So pay attention. They say that given that tan x is equals to this, when you're talking about tan x, sin x, this, automatically you're talking about right angled triangle like this. So we have something like this. All right, so this is 90 degrees. Can you see that? All right, so when you're talking about tan x, that means that the angle you're considering is what? X. Okay, so tan, as we know, means what? That tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Can you see that? Opposite over what? Adjacent. So it simply means that tan theta, that theta is what? X, as you can see here. That means opposite is what? 5. So if here is theta, here is what? Opposite. And here is what? 5. Can you see that? That is it. Then adjacent, remember this is hypotenuse. So adjacent should be this one, which is what? 12. Can you see that? Is it clear? So we have something like this. All right, so we have hypotenuse like this. That is it. So having this, I told you, according to Pythagoras theorem, that hypotenuse squared is equal to, we have opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Can you see that? So this one, hypotenuse squared, is equals to opposite, we have 5 squared plus what? 12 squared, like this, as you can see. So we have that hypotenuse squared is equals to 5 squared, simply means 5 times 5, which is what? 25. We have 25 like this, plus 12 squared simply means what? 12 times 12, which is what? 144. We have something of this nature. All right, so adding this thing together, you are going to have 169, which is what? Hypotenuse squared. So that means the hypotenuse is, when this square crosses over, it will become square root. You have hypotenuse to be equals to square root of 169 like this. And this will give us what? We have it to be 13. So automatically this place is what? 13. All right, here they said find sin x plus what? Cos x. So here we have sin x is equal to, sin means what? Look at it here, sin theta is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Can you see it? All right, so opposite of this is 5. That means sin is 5. While hypotenuse is what? 13. So sin theta simply means 5 over 13. Can you see that? All right, let's look for cos. We have that cos theta is equals to adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. Can you see it? Adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, so that means that cos x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Looking at this one, here is opposite hypotenuse. So look at the adjacent here. Adjacent is what? 12 over hypotenuse is what? 13. So you have like this. Can you see that? So look at it. So for us to find sin x plus cos x, it simply means this, that sin x plus cos x is equal to sin x is 5 over 13 plus cos x is 12 over 13. Can you see that? Look at it here. All right, considering the denominators, the LCM is what? Is 13, like this. So when 13 divides 13, it will give us 1, times 5, we have 5. When 13 divides 13, it will give us 1, times 12, we have 12. When you add this thing together, you are going to have 17 over 13, which is one whole number 4 over 13, like this. Can you see that? All right, so that is how this can be solved. I believe that it is not difficult. All right, remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge in order to get educated. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel, the same name, Engineer Kenneth Tutorial, so that you can easily be identified anytime we drop new videos. Check our previous videos, you'll get educated. You will never regret doing that. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Bye.